upon my knee, neath the spreading chestnut tree. There beneath the boughs we used to meet. All her kisses were so sweet. All the little birds went tweet, 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 neath the spreading chestnut tree. I said I love you, and there ain't no ifs or buts. She said I love you, and the blacksmith shouted chestnut. Underneath the spreading chestnut tree, there she said she'd marry me. Now you ought to see our family, neath the spreading chestnut tree.